we stayed, the Carousel Inn, right across the street from Disneyland. And this is like one of the coolest hotel rooms I've ever stayed in. Big TV. Nice little desk. Big fridge. Beautiful tile in the bathroom. Look at that view. Unfortunately, this is the day after we stayed, so it's not as beautiful as we first found it. It's still nice. Alright, Carousel Inn, where we stayed.
Hey,
Camera!
check out this mouse. Oh, the ears went down.
Anyway, this is where we stayed.
Ears are up.
And Disneyland. Right across the street. At that light. You just walk across the street and there you are. This is just unbelievable. Chris, turn around and say hi.
Hey.
He didn't follow your instructions.
No, he did not.
You said to say hi, he said hey. Is he always like this?
Yeah. Well, you know, he does his own thing. Hey, hi, close enough.
If we want to get to that restaurant without
Go! Where we're at? Where we're going?
deep frying it like an soup type batter. Sounds perfect.
Who's that? Trying to get the sign. Oh, I gotta get the cool trams. They have better trams here. Better looking trams.
Those trams came into existence. The whole Disneyland Resort makeover.
Oh, you're talking about a different block?
The entrance. Seems to be a little bit more people than there were yesterday. Monorail track. Disneyland. Disneyland. Whoa, the long line. Whoa. Yeah, keep stuffing his face with pistachios.
Did you wave at me or something?
I just turned the camera.
You're like stuffing your face.
Alright. So, Disneyland. Downtown Disney. Disneyland. Downtown Disney. Strange. California Adventure.
Show where Grand California is.
Whoa.
Between downtown Disney and California Adventure, up a little higher. Right there.
Oh, yes. Look at that.